Alright everybody, welcome to the channel today. Just doing a little repair work on the steering column here on the 1990 F-150. This truck is a non-tilt steering wheel from the factory. I wanted to show or share with you a little trick that I just realized I'm going to try and do, a little experiment. The non-tilt steering column, where you can't, when everything's put together and working fine, you can't tilt the column up or down. It is where it is, and that's that. But I notice that when I'm digging in here doing something else, there actually is a tilt on it. You just can't control it from outside the steering column. And I'm going to do a little experiment, because that would be sweet if this had a tilt column, even if it was a little redneck. So I'm looking at this piece here, and I don't know if you can see it here. That little groove there where that little mark is, that is where this piece here rides in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to slot that out. Yeah, I'm going to slot that little piece right there out, right in there. And what that's going to do is it's going to make a hole in the bottom of the steering column so that I can stick a screwdriver in there. Because all you have to do to adjust this is push this piece here up. I don't know if I can show you the little gear mechanism that's in there. Focus now, come on, there you go. Yep, see? There's actually you can tilt it, not as fancy as the factory tilt one, I'm sure, but so I'm going to drill a hole. We'll get this all put back together, and I'll show you what it looks like and see how well it works, and maybe it'll help you on something you're doing here. Give you guys factory, or not a factory tilt, but a redneck solution to a no tilt steering column. Alright guys, here's my mock-up. I got the main piece here back on. Here's the little lever that controls your tilt. And the way it works, basically, you put your screwdriver in there, you can tilt your column down, let it go, it locks in. Now obviously you can't do that when the steering wheel and all that good stuff's on, so what I've decided to do, let me tilt it up here quick. Come on. Here we go. Is on the bottom of the column here. On the bottom of the column here, you got the two holes, this one here and this one here. You can't reach it from there. And I've put a little mark with a Sharpie. It's black Sharpie, you can't really see it, but right there is where I'm going to be drilling a small hole, something I can get a screwdriver in. And all that's going to do, if I can get it to focus with me here, is going to be right underneath that piece right there. So if I push up through the hole with a screwdriver, it'll pop that up. I can tilt my column, set it where I want it, and then I'm good. So let's get to drilling a hole. Alright guys, I've got her all squared away. I think it'll work. So I got this piece back on. She's nice and tight. Got my piece in there. Got my hole down in there. I don't know if you can see it or not. I got a little off center, but not the end of the world. Here's the underneath. I don't know what size it was, like a 3/8 or something maybe. I don't remember what I drilled, but now the way it works, they take the screwdriver, jam it up in the hole there. It'll be a little tough to do this one-handed, but push up on that, and now I can tilt the wheel. It's a little stiff and a little tough to do, but it is possible. I mean, considering this is non-factory tilt, I mean, you're not supposed to be able to tilt it. But hopefully that'll help you guys. Definitely would have been better if I'd have drilled that hole over a little bit more and been, right there, maybe centered a little bit. I guess I didn't double check my measurements, so hope that helps. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, we'll show you the finished product of my modification here. Stick the screwdriver in the bottom, and now tilt column. Goes down quite a ways actually. A lot more than I'd ever need. And granted, you got to use a screwdriver to do it. Yeah, it's kind of is what it is. But still a little loose, but it works. So